Imagine a world where lakes exist beneath the ocean's surface, a phenomenon that sounds like science fiction but is actually real. These underwater lakes are called brine pools, and they're formed when seawater seeps through the ocean floor and dissolves ancient salt deposits. As the water becomes denser, it creates a separate ecosystem that's isolated from the surrounding ocean. This unique environment supports life forms that can't be found anywhere else on the planet. The ocean is home to the longest mountain range in the world, stretching over 40,000 miles. This vast underwater range is called the mid-ocean ridge, and it's a vast, continuous chain of volcanoes and mountains that runs through the center of the oceans. The mid-ocean ridge is where new oceanic crust is created, as magma rises from the Earth's core and solidifies into new rock. This process is responsible for shaping our planet's surface over millions of years. Did you know that there's a type of jellyfish that's immortal? The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is a species of jellyfish that can transform its body into a younger state through a process called transdifferentiation. This means that it can essentially revert back into its polyp stage, which is the juvenile form of a jellyfish, and then grow back into an adult again. This process can be repeated indefinitely, making the Turritopsis dohrnii theoretically immortal. The ocean is home to a giant crystal cave that's filled with towering, glittering crystals. This cave is located beneath the ocean floor, and it's filled with crystals of selenite that are up to 36 feet long. The cave is so large that it could fit an entire city block, and the crystals are so pure that they're considered to be among the most perfect crystals in the world. The cave was formed over millions of years, as hot water rich in minerals flowed through the rocks and deposited layers of crystal. There's a type of sea slug that can photosynthesize like a plant. The Alicia viridis, also known as the solar-powered sea slug, is a species of sea slug that has photosynthetic algae in its skin. This allows it to produce energy from sunlight, just like a plant, and it can even survive for months without eating. The sea slug's ability to photosynthesize is made possible by the algae that live inside its skin, which produce nutrients through photosynthesis. The ocean is home to a giant squid that's as long as a school bus. The Architeuthis dux, also known as the giant squid, is a deep-sea cephalopod that can grow up to 59 feet long. Its massive body is said to be one of the largest invertebrates on the planet, and its eyes are said to be the largest of any animal. The giant squid is a mysterious creature that's rarely seen, but its massive size and powerful tentacles make it a formidable predator in the deep sea. There's a type of underwater lake that's filled with a thick, gooey liquid that's similar to honey. The honey lake is a brine pool that's filled with a thick, viscous liquid that's made up of dissolved salt and minerals. The liquid is so dense that it can support the weight of a person, and it's said to have healing properties due to its high concentration of minerals. The honey lake is a unique and fascinating feature of the ocean floor, and it's home to a variety of strange and exotic creatures. The ocean is home to a massive, underwater waterfall that's one of the largest in the world. The Denmark Strait Cataract is a submarine waterfall that's located between Iceland and Greenland, and it's formed by the difference in density between the cold, salty water of the East Greenland Current and the warmer, fresher water of the Erminger Current. The waterfall is over 100 feet high and flows down a slope in the ocean floor, creating a massive, swirling vortex of water that's visible from space. Which of these amazing ocean secrets surprised you the most? Was it the giant squid, the immortal jellyfish, or maybe the underwater lake filled with honey-like liquid? Let us know in the comments below.